How to deal with insecurities in a relationship. Insecurities are common in relationships, but can be managed with the right mindset and approach. Here are some practical strategies to help you navigate them. 1. Identify the source of insecurity. Understanding where your insecurities come from is crucial. They might be due to past relationships, low self-esteem, or unmet emotional needs. Recognizing the root cause will help you address them more effectively. 2. Communicate openly. Open, honest communication is key. Share your feelings with your partner without blame. Using I statements like, "I feel insecure when," helps express concerns without making your partner feel attacked. This encourages healthy conversations. 3. Build self-confidence. Insecurities often arise from personal self-esteem issues. Focus on building your confidence by practicing self-care, setting small goals, and celebrating achievements. When you feel good about yourself, it strengthens your sense of security within the relationship. 4. Trust your partner. Trust is vital for overcoming insecurities. Instead of questioning your partner's actions, focus on the trust you build over time. Trust that your partner's intentions are pure and that their actions show love and commitment. 5. Avoid comparisons. Comparing your relationship to others, especially through social media, can create unnecessary insecurity. Every relationship is unique, and external appearances don't reflect reality. Focus on your own connection and avoid measuring your relationship against others. 6. Set healthy boundaries. Clear boundaries foster respect and understanding. Discuss what feels comfortable for both of you regarding space, privacy, and interactions with others. Boundaries prevent misunderstandings and help maintain a sense of safety. 7. Practice patience and empathy. Insecurities don't vanish overnight. Be patient with yourself and your partner. Show empathy toward each other's vulnerabilities and work together toward a healthier dynamic. Remember, relationships require continuous growth and understanding. 8. Seek professional help if needed. If insecurities stem from deep-rooted issues, therapy can provide helpful tools and insights. Couples counseling or individual therapy can offer the support needed to work through emotional challenges and improve the relationship. 9. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and celebrate the small victories, like addressing insecurities together or achieving personal growth. This fosters a positive atmosphere and reinforces the belief that both of you are committed to making the relationship work. 10. Stay focused on the bigger picture. Insecurities are a natural part of relationships, but they don't define the relationship's potential. Focus on the love, trust, and connection that you built, and remind yourself that it's a journey that requires effort and understanding from both partners.